Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a virtual tour of Italy, some of the most beautiful and must-visit places in this stunning country. From historic cities to breathtaking coastal towns, there's something for everyone in Italy. So let's explore together. Let's start with one of the most iconic cities in Italy, Venice. This floating city is famous for its canals, gondolas, and the stunning architecture of its buildings. Don't miss a chance to visit the famous St. Mark's Square in the Basilica, and take a stroll through the winding streets of the city. Next up is the birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence. With its rich history and stunning architecture, this city is a must-visit for any history buff or art lover. Be sure to check out the famous Uffizi Gallery, the Duomo, and the Ponte Vecchio Bridge. Of course, we can't talk about Italy without mentioning Rome. This ancient city is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, including the Colosseum, the Vatican, and the Trevi Fountain. Take a stroll through the historic city center and soak in the atmosphere of one of the world's oldest and most fascinating cities. Cinque Terre. Moving from the city to the coast, we have the stunning Cinque Terre. This series of 5 picturesque towns along the Italian Riviera are famous for their brightly colored houses, dramatic cliffs, and crystal clear waters. Take a hike along the coastal path for breathtaking views. Another coastal gem in Italy is the Amalfi Coast. With its dramatic cliffs, turquoise waters, and charming towns, this is one of Italy's most beautiful regions. Be sure to visit Positano and Sorrento, two of the most famous towns along the coast. If you're looking for a more tranquil escape, head to Lake Como in northern Italy. This stunning lake is surrounded by charming towns and stunning villas, making it a perfect place to relax and unwind. Take a boat tour of the lake to see some of the most beautiful villas and gardens in the area. Tuscany is another must-visit region in Italy, famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming towns. Be sure to visit Siena, Florence, and Pisa, as well as take a wine tasting tour in one of the many vineyards in the area. For a glimpse into ancient history, head to Pompeii. This ancient Roman city was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, and today it's one of the best preserved ancient cities in the world. Walk through the streets and see the remains of homes, temples, and public buildings. Sicilian coast. Sicily is the largest island in the Mediterranean, and its coast is dotted with charming towns and pristine beaches. Be sure to visit Taormina, with its stunning views over the coast and the ancient Greek theater, as well as the picturesque town of Cefalù. Siena is a beautiful medieval city in Tuscany, known for its stunning architecture, historic churches, and narrow cobblestone streets. The city's main attraction is the Piazza del Campo, one of the most famous squares in Italy, and the site of the famous Palio horse race. Milan is Italy's fashion and design capital, and it's also home to some of the country's most famous landmarks, including the iconic cathedral and the famous La Scala Opera House. Don't miss a chance to explore the city's vibrant fashion district and indulge in some of the best shopping in Italy. Bologna is a charming city in the Emilia-Romagna region of northern Italy, known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and delicious cuisine. Don't miss a chance to visit the city's famous Leaning Towers and sample some of the best traditional Italian food in the country. Verona is a historic city in northern Italy, best known as the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. With its ancient Roman ruins, beautiful architecture, and charming piazzas, this city is a must-visit for any traveler to Italy. Don't miss a chance to see the famous Arena di Verona, one of the best preserved ancient Roman amphitheaters in the world. Finally, we have Naples, one of Italy's oldest cities and the birthplace of pizza. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and delicious cuisine, this city is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Italy. Don't miss a chance to visit the famous Castel dell'Avo and sample some of the best pizza in the world. These are just a few more of the many beautiful and must-visit places in Italy. Whether you're interested in history, art, food, or stunning landscapes, there's something for everyone in this diverse and fascinating country. I hope this video has inspired you to plan your next trip to Italy. Just a friendly reminder that the information shared is for informative content only, and not to be considered professional advice. To make the most informed decision, we recommend double checking and doing your own research to make sure you have the latest and greatest information. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. Thanks for watching.